बचपन सच्चा साथ है, सौभाग्य की एक बात है। बचपन सच्चा साथ है, भूली जाती नहीं फिर आती नहीं, भूली जाती नहीं फिर आती नहीं। बचपन की सौगात है। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू यू, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू यू।
The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. Warm greetings to all of you on the celebration of Children's Day. This day is dedicated to children as observe the work and love put in by our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and this marks his 132nd anniversary. Jawaharlal Nehru became our first Prime Minister after India was declared an independent nation. And in his 16 years of time period, he always advocated for children's rights for safety, health and education. He loved to spend his most of the time with children, and moreover, children were also fond of him. He had a great vision for India and make it into a world leader, and he knew that it was possible only if the young people are nurtured from childhood by giving them the freedom of dream, the basic amenities, the right to be protected and taken good care of it. So, let's be the children of our nation proud of and create a better tomorrow for everyone. I wish you all the best and happy Children's Day.
तिल्लेदार गबरू बनदे पग्गा, तिल्लेदार गबरू बनदे पग्गा, फुलकारी लैन मुटियारा, मेरे देश दियां हरियां रैन बहारा। नी हरा पोना, नी सफेद पोना, नी केसरी पोना, मेरे देश दा तिरंगा झंडा बड़ा ही सोना। मेरे देश दा तिरंगा झंडा बड़ा ही सोना। ਭੰਗੜਾ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਅਨਿੱਖੜਵਾਂ ਅੰਗ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਅ, ਮਲਾਰ ਅਤੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਕੁੱਟ-ਕੁੱਟ ਕੇ ਭਰਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਨੱਚ-ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਪਹਾੜੀ ਨਾਲੇ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੱਬਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਦੇ ਰੂਪ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹਿ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਹੈ। ਅਰਧ ਸ਼ਾਸਤਰੀ ਨਾਚ ਜੋ ਪ੍ਰਾਚੀਨ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਸੰਸਕ੍ਰਿਤੀ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਦੋਹਰਾ ਅਸਰ ਪਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਅਰਧ ਸ਼ਾਸਤਰੀ ਨਾਚ ਦਾ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਸੰਸਕ੍ਰਿਤੀ ਅਤੇ ਧਰਮ ਨਾਲ ਪ੍ਰਾਚੀਨ ਕਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਨਾਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨੀ ਤਾਕਤ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੱਥਰ ਦਿਲ ਵੀ ਮੋਮ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪਿਘਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ। ਲੋ ਹੁਣ ਪੇਸ਼ ਹੈ ਸੇਂਟ ਜੋਸਫ ਕਨਵੈਂਟ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਅਤੇ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਨੱਚ-ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਧਮਾਲਾਂ ਪਾਉਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਅਰਧ ਸ਼ਾਸਤਰੀ ਨਾਚ ਅਤੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ।
Music, STK।
मैं दिन भर सोच में डूबूं, मैं रात में जागूं न सोऊं, तू ही मेरे सपनों में ओ सजना। मैंने पायल है चमकाई, अब तो आजा तू हर जाए, मेरी सांसों में तू है बसा ओ सजना। आजा ना तरसा।
So you think you can dance, ah?
हाय तड़पावे साडी जान कट जावे तेरा लाल घगरा, राता दी नींद उड़ावे बिल्लोनी तेरा लाल घगरा, बिल्लोनी तेरा लाल घगरा।
ओ काके पंजाबी ना तो चुपचाप आते हैं ना ही चुपचाप जाते।
आओ कुर्ता पजामा चिट्टे रंग दा ते काली काली लोई अम्मीए, बिल्ली अख ना मलावे अख लाल लगे वैली जिवें कोई अम्मीए। ओनू देख के ट्रैफिक रुके, ओनू देख के ट्रैफिक रुके, हर बंदा उस नू सलूट चकदा, दसो मैं किथे बैठे आ करूं। आओ जट खब्बी सीट ते ਹੋ ਪੈਸੇ ਪੂਸੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸੋਚੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਜੱਟ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਬਸ ਛਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਪੂਸੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਸੋਚੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਜੱਟ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਬਸ ਛਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ
जाने मेरी जाने मन बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे सच्चा मेरा प्यार है जान तुझे किया है बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे जाने मेरी जाने मन बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे सच्चा मेरा प्यार है जान तुझे किया।
Warm greetings to one and all present here. Children, today is the special day for each one of you. So I wish all the lovely Josephites happy Children's Day. On this momentous day, we the teachers of St. Joseph's Convent School Pathankot have prepared a small skit for you on anger management. Anger doesn't solve anything. It builds nothing, but it can destroy everything. Seeing the present scenario, the pandemic has pushed many students and parents to the edge of frustration, which burst out in the form of anger. You can't get rid or avoid the things or the people that enrage you, nor can you change them, but you can learn to control your reaction. This skit is an attempt to improve the quality of life of each child by inculcating moral values and to create a society where true and lasting values are cherished, upheld, and lived. With these thoughts in mind, let us learn how to manage our anger to live a calm and happy life.
Rick was a nice young boy who had a very bad habit of getting angry at every little thing. He would easily get angry at anyone and would even use foul language sometimes. His parents and teachers often lectured him to control his anger and improve his behavior.
Stop irritating me.
Rick had a soft corner for his paintings. On his 7th birthday, his mom and dad gifted him a canvas and a palette of colors.
What is this for?
It will help you express your anger. Whatever you feel angry about, you can paint it on the canvas to get rid of that frustration. Try it. Today evening, your drawing teacher will come and you can learn something new from her.
Rick painted a building falling down.
Rick, I told you to make a painting of your school and see what you have made. A building falling down?
This is what I wanted to do to my school. I hate everyone there. The kids keep bullying and criticizing me. I feel so angry at them.
Oh, Rick. Okay. Do it again. Paint whatever you feel inside and whatever you think you want to do.
Rick took another sheet and started painting. From that day, whatever made Rick angry had to be painted on the sheet. By the weekend, Rick had painted several disturbing paintings. His mom went to his room and found some of the paintings on the wall. She collected some and took Rick to the garden with his paintings.
Tell me, Rick, what are these paintings about?
It is about those kids who always act so smart. They flash their expensive clothes and phones and make me look a loser. It's all about the teachers who keep saying to me that I don't perform well enough. It is about Dad who always keep reminding me of how well he used to do when he was of my age.
Now think and tell me, what is one thing common in all of them?
I am angry at all of them.
Exactly. You reacted to each person who said something bad about you or criticized you. Your anger was in their power, not in yours.
You are right, in fact. While painting this, I threw the colors on the paintings, imagining that I was throwing something at them. I never tried to understand them and was getting angry all along without any reason.
Son, each bad word that you said to them left a hole in their heart. Those kids did well for themselves, not to put you down. Your teachers tell you to improve because they know your potential, and Dad compares himself with you only to inspire you, to tell you that if he was able to do it, so can you.
You are right, Mom. But what do I do when I get angry? It's always like anger overpowers me and I am never able to think properly.
Controlling anger can be simple if you are committed to control it. Whenever you get angry, take a deep breath and count till 20 before you react. Think happy thoughts and divert yourself from that situation. Slowly, you will be able to control your anger, my child.
Thanks, Mom. I will try this and I will paint it too.
After a long time, he hugged his mom and felt good. With time, Rick's behavior changed. He was a much happier kid than before and started treating everyone with love. His paintings too had changed, as they were less about anger and more about happiness and love. All this was possible because he had learnt the art of having control over his anger.
Dear students, hope you like this short skit beautifully presented by your teachers. This skit highlights the most powerful human emotion, that is anger. For every minute you are angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. So it is very important to channelize your anger in a positive manner. Here are few tips for you all. Try reacting in a totally opposite manner when angry. Try humming a popular tune. Force yourself to smile. Last but not the least, meditate every day for 10 minutes. Hope you all adapt these points in your life and grow as a good human being. Thank you and God bless you all. Happy Children's Day.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे. A child can always teach an adult 3 things: to be happy for no reason, to always be busy with something, and to know how to demand with all his mighty that which he desires. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. In India, we celebrate 14th November as Children's Day, birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He had a great love for children and loved to spend time with kids. This day is very important in the life of children. This day is celebrated all over the nation with great pomp and show to commemorate the same. So pre-primary have prepared an extravaganza of dance for the kids on their special day to make the occasion a memorable one. Let's see the dance of pre-primary teachers.
जल्दी